Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video. The next few videos are going to be from Las Vegas. I was there a few weeks ago, and of course, being amongst the crowds and the weather this time of year, I basically was sick afterwards. But we're going to try to get these videos out. We're going to start off here at the Wynn. Just want to show you some of the holiday decorations they have up. We're going to go from here to Caesar's Palace over to the Bellagio in this video. So hope you enjoy it. Thanks for coming along. The Wynn Encore is such a beautiful place. I wish I had captured more of this hotel when I was here. Just walking around and just looking at everything, but I did capture a little bit here. All of these places are on the strip, just modern day castles and fortresses basically. All of them with a different style and a different way to kind of get you to come over to their place and spend money and enjoy your time. Everything here in Vegas is done in such a large scale. It just makes everything feel fantastical. And again, that's on purpose. Kind of puts you in that mood of just letting go and having fun, and you get hypnotized by the bells and whistles of the slot machines and everything else. But it's all fun as long as you're smart and you know your limits. We've now made the jump over here to Caesar's Palace, and again the theme and decor is amazing. The Roman theme, the statues, the painted sky, the atmosphere here is incredible. It's one of my favorite places here in Vegas. There is also an aquarium here. Instead of the casinos, you can just walk around and enjoy everything else Vegas has to offer. Right outside is the entrance to the world-famous Hell's Kitchen. Behind those columns is our next stop, the Bellagio. Here we are now at the Bellagio. The Bellagio is of course famous for its fountain show outside, but it's also well known for its Conservatory and Botanical Gardens display. At least 4 times a year with each season, they transform this entire atrium into an incredible display, and this being the winter season, it's always a holiday display around this time of year, so this was definitely a busy place. Definitely a social media spot. Everyone was taking pictures and video, but the great thing about it was everyone was giving everyone else space and time to take their pictures with their loved ones. So overall, it was a great atmosphere here. So I hope you enjoyed this one. This is also the first time I've done a voiceover over the video, so I just wanted to test it out and see how it goes. it's time to call it on this one. As always, thanks for coming along. I'll see you guys on the next one.